A nice and clean office space to work from can make me a lot more productive than if I were working from a really busy environment. So over the last 4 years, I have been constantly improving my office, and in this video, I'm going to show you finally my dream office tour as an 18-year-old entrepreneur. So hope you're gonna enjoy, and let's get into it. Alright, so when you walk into the room, this is kind of what you are greeted with. As you can see, I have a pretty nice view here, which I'm super grateful for because I never really had a view before, and it is really motivating when you're working and you look over and you see some nice nature and there's a river there, so pretty cool. And yeah, that is basically my workstation setup right there. So as you can see, I actually have like a beanbag here. I love to meditate here and stuff like that. And then I have a couch here, and I don't really use this couch that much, to be honest. The main thing I use it for is in the mornings, I like to sit down here and grab my iPad, and then basically I like to write down my affirmations, write down my vision, and that really just helps keep that strong and kind of keep me motivated, I guess, throughout the day. Now, after that, if we move into the actual desk setup, as you can see, I have a pretty simple setup. I don't have a ton of things on my desk, and that is something that I purposely did because I really believe that if you want to achieve focus with your work, you need to remove as many distractions as possible. So first off, we have this Ikea desk here, and this is just like a super cheap Ikea desk, but it is a standing desk. However, it's one of those manual ones where you need to use this little thing here, and that's what, you can raise the table with. And then I have this basic office chair. I'm not sure if this is from Ikea, but again, wasn't too expensive. However, I am looking to upgrade this to a Herman Miller Aeron this year because I think it's worth the investment into my health, kind of. And then if we go into the rest of the stuff, as you can see, I have my Airpods Pro here. I used to use like a proper Bose headphone for work, but I just ended up using this all the time, and it's just so comfortable, so useful. So I use this all the time. I have my remote control for the blinds, so this whole place has blinds all over it, and I can just use this to raise them or lower them, right? And then I have my wallet here. I like to keep it here just so whenever I need to pay an invoice or pay for software for the business, I have the cards there, super comfortable. And then going into the more exciting stuff, I have a mug of leftover coffee here. And then I have my main computer there, and this here is the new MacBook Pro 16-inch, almost maxed out aside from the storage because they charge ridiculous prices for the storage. And then I have this hooked up to a monitor. This is just some random LG 27-inch 4K monitor. So far, I like it a lot. I bought this around 2 years ago for like $400, and that gets the job done. And then right here, I have my microphone. This is a this is a Shure SM7B podcaster microphone, and that is hooked up to a Rode microphone stand, which goes under the table into this red Scarlett thing. And I also have a Cloudlifter, which basically just like makes the microphone more loud, so louder, yeah. And that's kind of the podcast setup. I think it's overall like a really good value for money microphone. That's why so many people use it, like Joe Rogan and just a ton of podcasters. I mean, you see this all over YouTube. A bit pricey, but definitely good value for money. And I actually used to have like a MX Master mouse and like a Magic keyboard as well with my setup, but I just found myself not really using those, and I just love the trackpad on the MacBook, so I just don't have them here anymore. And I usually have my camera here, which I am recording this video with right now. And yeah, that just filmed me from this angle. So this is kind of what you guys usually see in the videos, right? And I also have this nice Phillips Hue light here, and I have another one on the other end of the room. And at night, those are really nice looking and makes the whole place a lot moodier and just overall nicer to work in. So yeah, this is kind of it. You know, nothing super complicated or crazy, but overall I love working from here and love the atmosphere and the natural light. So yeah, hope you guys found this interesting. If you want to know what I actually do for a living, then click on this video where I actually explain what I do for a living aside from running this YouTube channel. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.